Queen Alexandra Hospital in Portsmouth is one of the largest acute hospitals in England. The site has recently undergone a major redevelopment to create a modern, fit-for-purpose hospital. We have over 6,500 staff, 1,200 hospital beds, 28 operating theatres and access to advanced equipment on site, including PET scanner and robotic surgery.
The radiotherapy department in Queen Alexandra Hospital in Portsmouth sees about 30,000 individual attendances per year, and that equates to about 2,100 actual treatment courses delivered. We provide 2 brachytherapy services, one permanent low dose rate seeds for prostate patients and high dose rate afterloader for gynecological cancers.
At Portsmouth, we have had experience of HDR brachytherapy since 1996, initially using iridium-192 radioactive source until 2009, and since then we have used cobalt-60 source with Eckert Ziegler BBIG multi-source afterloader machine until 2014, and then we have now moved on to SagiNova since early 2015. We are currently treating gynecological cancers with image-guided high-dose rate brachytherapy. Depending on the type and stage of the cancer, brachytherapy may be combined with external beam radiotherapy or can be done on its own. There are future plans in place to introduce interstitial needles along with our ring set applicator to improve dose distributions for locally advanced cancer of the cervix. There are also plans in place to expand the HDR brachytherapy service to prostate cancers, esophageal cancer and skin cancers.
We've been using the Eckert & Ziegler BBIG multi-source since 2009, and for the last year have been using the SagiNova system. We performed comprehensive, extensive commissioning on both systems and were happy with the results. Both systems are available with cobalt-60 and iridium-192 sources, and in both cases we decided to use cobalt-60 due to the significant time saving of quality assurance following source exchanges. I particularly like the safety features of the SagiNova system, such as the applicator length verification. By selecting an applicator in the SagiPlan treatment planning system, length information is digitally transferred to the treatment unit, which then verifies the length automatically prior to treatment. For our gynae brachytherapy treatments, we have access to a full applicator library database, which enables rapid applicator reconstruction, customizable treatment setups, and an inverse planning using fast simulated annealing algorithm, as well as EQD2 and BED calculations to combine external beam and brachytherapy doses.
With the SagiNova Assist, I've got a set of locally defined quality assurance tests. These are performed in sequence each morning to verify whether the system and critical components are operating correctly. The daily source position check with integrated video camera allows easy confirmation of accuracy of the operation. The treatment control system includes a dual key operation. It has a touchscreen activation. We particularly like the new easy to understand graphical interface. This gives us confidence of an accurate treatment delivery as the treatment progresses live. There's also an option for an integrated in vivo dosimetry during treatment. This allows us to independently monitor organs at risk such as rectum and bladder. Dose limit values can be defined via the SagiNova software, and there are audible warnings should those dose limits be exceeded. Having dose information at a glance is essential for correct treatment delivery.
Eckert & Ziegler BBIG offers a broad spectrum of MR-capable applicators, which are all implemented in the SagiNova database. The applicators are very easy to introduce in the uterus and the vagina and are easy to assemble after insertion and disassemble after use. These applicators show up very clearly on the planning CT scans and cause very little interference or artifacts in identifying the target volumes and the organs at risk. Our experience over the last 5 years, use of HDR brachytherapy using cobalt-60 source have not shown any significant difference in the clinical outcomes of tumor response and toxicity profiles when compared to iridium-192 for gynecological cancers. Eckert & Ziegler BBIG has been a reliable and a specialized brachytherapy partner for us for more than 6 years now, and we are looking forward to further working with them both for clinical service provision and further research and development.